Hello, welcome to Bank to Binaries Ahead of the Week report, bringing you the most important trading and market events for October 14th to 18th. Remember that all times are GMT. There is still a lot of market uncertainty over the US government shutdown, which looks set to continue into its third week as Republicans and Democrats dig in their heels over the debt ceiling and the US budget. The most important data releases this week are in the UK and Europe. On Monday the 14th, the focus is on China, which releases its annual consumer price index for September at 130. Analysts expect it to rise to 2.9% from 2.6%. Australia's home loans for August are out at 12:30 a.m. This figure is expected to have dropped by 2.5%. On Tuesday, October 15th, the UK announces its annual consumer price index for September at 0830. It's expected to drop to 2.6% from 2.7%. Another notable event on Tuesday is the UK's monthly producer price index for September, expected to rise by 0.9%. Europe releases its ZEW economic survey for October, expected to rise to 59.4 from 58.6. Finally, on Tuesday, New Zealand announces its consumer price index for the third quarter of 2013, expected at 1.3%. Moving on to Wednesday, 16th of October, at 0830, the UK claimant count change for September is announced. It's expected to be minus 24.3k versus 32.6k previously. That is, the UK's ILO unemployment rate for August is out at the same time, expected to remain unchanged at 7.7%. The EU's annual consumer price index for September is out at 0900. It was 1.1% previously. On Thursday, the 17th of October, Britain releases September retail sales figures, previously up by 2.1%. Lastly, on Friday the 18th, Bank of Australia's Governor Glenn Stevens gives a speech at 0100. An hour later, China releases its quarterly and annual GDP figures for the third quarter. China's growth is expected to have risen from 1.7% to 1.9% for the period on an annual basis. Look out for a possible impact on its major trading partner, Australia's currency, and commodities like steel and oil. The last major event of the week is Canada's monthly consumer price index for September. That's out at 12:30 p.m. Those are the trading highlights for this week. Remember to watch out for our weekly asset roundup to keep updated on the latest macro movements on oil, currency majors, and gold. Thanks for watching Ahead of the Week report. Visit banktobinary.com and check out our education center to learn more about trading binary options. And until next week, goodbye.